I'm Kyle Shea, the founder of Lake Dental Care. My father was a dentist in a small town, western Minnesota. I think as any kid's dream when you're a little kid, you want to be your dad. And growing up, it's actually the only thing I remember wanting to be.
I'm Dr. David Pachuta. Came up to Big Lake to work at Lake Dental Care with Dr. Shea right after dental school. Been here for a few years now.
Culture is everything. And I think that's a huge part of the success of our team, is being the positive culture we create each day. And I always say it's never work if we're having fun. So each day is having fun doing dentistry.
And making sure that patients have a good experience starts with making sure the staff have a good experience. And so keeping things positive, keeping things lighthearted, keeping things fun amongst everybody transitions down to the patients. And I think the patients really pick up on that and are happy with how they're treated here.
From the minute you walk through the door, it's amazing. You're greeted by people that are obviously happy to be working here. I never have to wait very long. In the waiting area, they get me right in, which to me shows they value my time.
They ask personal questions. They want to know what's going on in my life. You're not just a number. You are a patient and they know who you are. So it's a friendly family type environment.
Dr. Shea seems to have all the latest and greatest equipment that comes out. As soon as something new comes out, that's what he wants to be involved in. The first time we did a crown, he was showing me that, hey, over there down the hall, you can go down and see your crown being built.
The most rewarding aspect in dentistry for me is seeing someone smile after care, taking them out of pain. At Lake Dental Care, we'll do same-day smile makeovers with CIRAC single-visit dentistry technology. And seeing a lady stand up and look in the mirror and be in tears with how happy she is about her new smile, it's a pretty special day.
Dr. Shea is the consummate professional. My wife reminded me that we've been seeing him pretty much since he started practicing dentistry. From the get-go, I knew there was something special about him. He had integrity, his skill level. He doesn't compromise anywhere. He's a perfectionist. There aren't ever surprises.
The staff really take the team atmosphere to a different level as compared to other practices.
We have a superstar team at Lake Dental Care, a lot of passion. Everyone enjoys their patient interactions. We have a lot of long-term employees that have personal relationships with our patients on all levels, and we treat them as friends. It's kind of a big community and focused on making the most optimal patient experience ever.
My name is Terry. I'm a patient at Lake Dental Care. Dr. Shea seems to have all the latest and greatest equipment that comes out. As soon as something new comes out, that's what he wants to be involved in. The first time we did a crown, he was showing me that, hey, over there down the hall, you can go down and see your crown being built. So I had a chance to go down and watch the machine just grinding away, or the laser just kind of ticking away on it. So that was kind of neat. I just enjoy visiting with him, and he does a good job with the work and stuff.
Basically what a CIRAC is a technology that allows you to do a one-day crown. You can also do bridges with that and also create implant crowns. We all do it in one visit. It's with a digital scan, so that will replace any impression. And then it also allows you to have it the same day, so you don't have to come back for another appointment, which a lot of patients love because time off work, etc. It's hard to do. The process before would have been you come in, you get the tooth prepped, you leave with a temporary crown, and then you would come back 2 weeks later as the crown was being sent to a lab and being made there, and then you would come back 2 weeks later for putting the permanent crown in. Sometimes by chance it may not fit, so then you would have to come back another time. So with this, you don't have that additional appointment. With the CEREC, you can eat right after your appointment, although you're numb, so we just kind of recommend to avoid anything tough. But you can chew on it, brush, floss, drink anything hot, cold, all right away after the appointment.
My name is Maggie, and I'm a patient at Lake Dental Care. I think when you walk in the door, you receive a smile and they know your name. So you're not just a number, you are a patient and they know who you are. So it's almost a friendly family type environment. They ask personal questions, they want to know what's going on in my life. It's a very positive, friendly environment. A crown of mine broke off at work. I was eating lunch and it was very painful because I did not have a root canal under. And so I called, it was a Friday, and they were able to squeeze me in, and within a half hour and I got here and they took care of me because I was going into the weekend and I was really fearful that I was gonna have that pain all weekend. So I think that was a huge relief, and I was so grateful that they were willing to get me in so quickly.
Invisalign is clear braces technology, so no wires, no brackets, nothing poking your cheeks. A very thin, clear plastic retainer that is used to move teeth in the same way traditional braces are, but it's much more user-friendly and easy to wear. And we have new great 3D technology that can even simulate results before the process starts and restore a beautiful smile with a series of multiple clear aligner trays. And our new iTero scanner offers also a lot of benefits for other retainer type purposes and impressioning using 3D technology and 3D printing. At Lake Dental Care, we natural impressions, the goop in your mouth, we do not believe is clinically acceptable anymore. It's all 3D scans for every procedure in our office. And it creates a lot more accuracy, detail, and a much better result.
My name's Steven, and I'm a patient at Lake Dental Care. From the minute you walk through the door, it's amazing. You're greeted by people that are obviously happy to be working here. I never have to wait very long. In the waiting area, they get me right in, which to me shows they value my time. We'll call up and they'll make an opening. They always seem to, I know he's missed lunch to meet me, at one time or another. But that's just the kind of professional he is. I mean, it's amazing. Dr. Shea is the consummate professional. My wife reminded me that we've been seeing him pretty much since he started practicing dentistry. From the get-go, I knew there was something special about him. He had integrity, his skill level. He doesn't compromise anywhere. He's a perfectionist. There aren't ever surprises. It always makes me feel like I'm the only patient on the whole schedule that day. He gives me all the time I need, and I can't say enough about him.
A dental implant is a great technology that replaces a full natural tooth. Someone can restore a smile with an actual tooth in place of that missing tooth. Instead of having a big piece of plastic in your mouth, it restores a natural smile. And with today's technology, dental implants are precisionally placed with minute details, and we even design the crowns on top of the dental implant before it's even placed in the mouth. Everything's figured out to the size of the crown and the angulations. Dental implants with today's technology are a phenomenal procedure.